How to cook ragi malt for babies. Hello everyone. Today I am going to share this healthy, tasty and easy to cook time-saving recipe for babies. It's my baby's all-time favorite food which makes me happy as well. Let us start by toasting the ragi flour. I have taken 2 cups of ragi flour in a pan, followed by igniting the gas burner. Add around 3 tablespoons of ghee in the flour. Now keep toasting it. Please keep moving the spoon as the flour might get burnt. After a few minutes, you can smell the toasted sweet fragrance of the ragi flour. Also the color will slightly change to dark. The rawness of the flour is gone. Pull it down and seal the flour. Store it in a clean airtight box and keep it in a cool and dry place. Cooking ragi malt. Here I am cooking this recipe for my 10-month-old baby. So the ingredients are measured as per his appetite. I am taking 3 tablespoons of ragi flour, 1 tablespoon of pure ghee, 2 pinch of cumin powder, rock salt, 2 pinch to taste which is optional, water 7 times of ragi flour measure. Start by mixing the ragi flour in a bowl by adding water gradually. Now mix it with a steel whisk which makes mixing easier. Make sure there are no lumps. Add little more water. Now in a preheated pan, add 1 tablespoon of pure ghee and let it heat well. Now turn the gas to sim flame. Add 2 pinch of cumin powder. Wait for very few seconds for it to fry. Make sure it doesn't get burned due to overheating. Now pour the ragi into the pan and immediately start stirring or whisking as it starts to form lumps due to heat. Add remaining water and keep stirring. Look at the consistency at this stage. It's runny. Here you have a choice of adding little salt to the malt as it will give a good taste. Keep stirring the malt on medium flame. Make sure it doesn't stick to the pan due to high flame. It could taste bad. Keep it boiling and stirring until you get a thicker consistency. I prefer it to be honey-like so that the baby can experience the taste and texture of the food. Once the malt is well cooked, You can see it looks glossier and smooth. Also, it smells little sweet. Turn off the gas, cool down the malt, and feed it to your baby. I started feeding Ragi malt to my baby since he was 7 months old, as my pediatrician recommended that. I prefer feeding him for dinner as it's easy to digest. Ragi is high in nutrition level, helps the babies in gaining good weight. It's rich in dietary fibers, calcium, iron, proteins, and vitamin B1 and B2. Ragi proves to be the superfood for babies. If you like my recipe, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.